Hello students, today we are going to learn the conversion of binary number to its decimal equivalent, that is binary to decimal conversion. Binary number to decimal number. Conversion of binary number to its decimal equivalent. Again, a certain procedure to convert binary to decimal number system. When we convert binary to decimal number system, the decimal weightage of binary numbers should be right. The decimal weightage of binary numbers are as follows. This is the decimal point. Two raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. So this is the integral part. Now here 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to minus 2, 2 raised to minus 3. That is, this is decimal point. 2 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 2 is 4, and 2 raised to 3 is 8. 8, 4 to 1. Here 1 by 2, that is 0.5. 1 by 4, that is 0.25, and it is 1 by 8, which is equal to 0.125. These are the decimal weights of binary equivalent. To understand binary to decimal conversion, let us consider one of the example, and with the help of that example one can easily understood the conversion process. So example, one zero one one. This is the binary number, and this binary number is to be converted into its decimal equivalent. So certain procedure is to be followed when this conversion is carried out. Number one, step number one. Write the binary number, given binary number, in splitting form. Splitting form. That means the bits are right in split form. 1 0 1 0. This is the binary number, given binary number, and we have to convert this binary number into its decimal number. Now this 0 has a binary weight of 2 raised to 0. This is 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, and 2 raised to 3. That is, 2 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 2 is 4, and 2 raised to 3 is 8. Step 2. Write the decimal weights, decimal weights of binary digits. Like this. Step number 3. Cancels the weights under zeros. That means this is 1, so its weight will be remains intact. 0 under 0, their weights are cancelled, so 4 is cancelled, again this 1 is cancelled. So add these weights. Step 4, add all weights. So 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2, that is equal to 10. That's why we can say that 1010 of binary is equal to 10 of decimal number system. We can take another example of conversion of binary number into its decimal equivalent form. So another number we can take as 1101 of binary is to be converted into its decimal equivalent. Now first step is what? Write the given binary number into its splitting form. Now this is 1, here it should be 1, here it should be 0, and here it will be 1. See, step number 1, write the binary number into a splitting form. Write the weightage under the digits. Cancel the weights under zeros. Now here only one weight is to be cancelled. Now adding all the weights. So 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. So it is a 13. Now in this way, binary number 1101 is equivalent 13 of decimal number. So students, in this way we can convert the binary number into its decimal equivalent. We have to understand the conversion of binary fraction to the decimal fraction. Conversion of binary fraction to the decimal fraction. So to understand the conversion process of binary fraction to the decimal fraction, we have to take one example for that, and from that example you can easily understand how we convert the binary fraction number into its decimal fraction. So example will be like this: 0.101. This shows the decimal weightage of binary numbers. Now this is the fraction part. Fraction of binary is converted into fraction of decimal. So we have to use these weightage. Again, 4 steps are required to convert the binary fraction number to its decimal equivalent. Step number 1. Write the binary number in splitting form. What is the splitting form? Splitting form means all the bits are right apart from each other. So the given number is 0.101. This binary number is written in splitting form like this. Now step number 2, write the decimal weightage of binary bits. Now here are the decimal weightage of binary equivalent. This is the weightage used for fraction conversion. So binary fraction to decimal fraction. Now write the weightage under each digits. So here 1, that is 2 raised to minus 1. Here it is 2 raised to minus 2 and it is 2 raised to minus 3. That is, it is what? 0.5. It is what? 0.25 and its weight is 0.125. Let's add these weights. Next step is what? Cancel the weights under 0. That means here under 0 it is 0.25. This is the weight is to be cancelled. Now add the remaining weights. Add the remaining weights and that weights will be 0.625. Hence, we can write 0.101 of binary is equivalent of 0.625 of decimal number. So this is the conversion of binary fraction into the decimal fraction. We can solve, we can take another example of binary fraction to decimal fraction. For that, a number we select or take as 0.110. To convert the binary fraction to its decimal equivalent, let us write this binary number into its splitting form. Write the weightage under each bits, each digit. Now cancel the weightage under the 0. That means here in this case last 0.125 used to be cancelled. Now add these weights. So it is 0.75. Hence we can say that, or we can convert the binary fraction of 110 is equal to 0.75 of decimal number. To convert decimal number into its equivalent hexadecimal number, we have to follow certain procedure. By following this procedure, we can easily find out the process of decimal to hexadecimal conversion. So certain steps are to be followed while converting decimal number into its hexadecimal number. Step number 1, divide the given decimal number by 16. Divide the given decimal number by 16. Write quotient. Write quotient and note remainder. Just we are following this procedure for binary to decimal to binary conversion. Similar is the procedure we already followed in conversion of decimal number into binary number system. Second step, divide the quotient by 16. Again, what is the quotient? Here it is 15. Divide the quotient by 16 and write quotient and note the remainder. Step 3, continues this process till the quotient is less than 16. Less than 16. This is the third step. Step number 4. Note the remainders. In bottom to top order. Bottom to top order, as shown in the arrow in this example. Now let us consider one example, that is decimal 251 is to be converted into hexadecimal number system. So according to the steps and a procedure, first step, 251 divided by 16. Quotient is 51 and remainder is 11. As 11 is equivalent as a B in hexadecimal number system, HD system. So write B here. Next, this quotient 15 is again a divide by 16 because it is a less than 16, so we can't divide it. So quotient becomes now 0 and remainder is 15, and 15 is equivalent to F in the HT system or hexadecimal number system. So write here F. Now step 4, note the remainders from bottom to top. Note the remainders from bottom to top. That means decimal number 251 is equivalent as FB in hexadecimal number system. So this is the one example of decimal to hexadecimal conversion. To understand more detail, we can take another example. Example 352 of decimal is converted into its HD number, hexadecimal number system. So steps should be followed. Step number 1, divide the number 352 divided by 16. The given decimal number is 352 divided by 16. What is the quotient and remainder? See, 32. 32. Here in this case, quotient is 22 and remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. So write 0 here. Again, take this quotient 22 divided by 16. So what is the quotient and remainder? 16 1 are 16. 1, 4, 8. 16 1 are 16, 22 and 6. Remainder is 6. 6. This is 0. So here 22 divided by 16, quotient is 1 and remainder is 6. Again this 1 is divided by 16. 1 is divided by 16. So quotient is 0 and remainder is 1. Now order of to write this number is from bottom to top. This is for MSB and this is LSB. Here also, here it is MSB and here it is LSB. So write the number 352 of decimal is equivalent with 160 of hexadecimal number system. So in this way we can convert the decimal number into its hexadecimal equivalent number. Now this is for integer numbers, but suppose we want to convert the decimal fraction into hexadecimal fraction. Decimal fraction into hexadecimal fraction. What is the procedure? We have to write the procedure and take 1-2 examples, and from that examples we can understand how we convert decimal fraction into hexadecimal fraction. So here, to convert decimal fraction to HD fraction, we can say one fraction, that is decimal number system fraction, is converted into third number system fraction, that is HD fraction. So it is decimal number and it is HD number. So what is the procedure? We write step by step. Just like we already done similar procedure of conversion, one fraction into another fraction, that is decimal fraction to the binary fraction. Instead of divide, here in this case we have to multiply. So step is multiply the given fraction, decimal fraction, multiply the given decimal fraction number by 16. Only here, instead of divide, we have to multiply it by 16. Right. Here, by multiplying by 16, we have to note the carry and fraction. Write fraction and note carry. Second step, again multiply the given fraction. Multiply the given fraction, decimal fraction, by 16 and write the fraction, note the carry, fraction, and note the carry. Continue this process until the fraction, till the fraction will be 0, till the fraction will be 0. Note the carry. Note the carry in top to bottom. In top to bottom order. So to understand this process, let us consider one example of 0.625. 0.625. Instead of that, we have taken an example of 0.98. So what is the steps? So 0.98 into 16. What is the carry in? What is the fraction? 0.98. 0.98 147 14.72 with carry with carry 14 A B C D C. A for 10, B it is 11, C it is 12, and D it is 13, and E it is 14. So here we are write E for 14. Next it is take 0.72 into 16, 32, 3. 115. So carry is 11 NA B 0.52 into 16 to 32, 2 with carry 3, 83, 8.32. Carry here it is 8. Now 0.32 into 16 to 32, 16 to 32, 2 will carry 3, 51. 5.12 carry here in this case is 5. Now 0.12 it is less than or which is very small number. So up to this it is enough, 4 digits. Now order to write the number is from top to bottom. So write the number from top to bottom, that is decimal fraction 0.28 is converted in hexadecimal number as EB85. EB85. This is the fraction. So it is after decimal point, it is like this. So in this case, we are converting this number, that is fraction number, decimal fraction, into its hexadecimal fraction. So students, it is enough for today. We will see the next conversion in the next topic.